What is up guys, Julius here, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly create a glitch transition in Premiere Pro. Take a look. So I am here in my Premiere, where I've prepared a little sequence with some titles, some glitch sound effects, and just a background video. So now I'm gonna move and cut the clip. I do that just by holding down Alt and pressing down arrow. Next I'm gonna search for an effect called Wave Warp. Apply that to the clip. And as you can see, it's already getting a little bit glitchy. Next I'm gonna change the wave type to square. Let's see how triangle looks. No, let's go with square. And here you basically want to play around with the wave height, the wave width, and the direction. And make sure to change the speed to 0. Basically what we want to do is keyframe the length, the width, and the direction. There's no wrong here. So let me just keyframe it every few frames. I'm liking that. Let's change the width a little bit. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. Make sure to keyframe all of them every time so you don't get any slow transition, but you get these sudden keyframings. And keep in mind we're working with very few frames here to make it look very glitchy. And maybe something like this would do. Kind of like this. Now I think I'm gonna go one more frame and just change the direction a bit and just give it a lot of gas just to like end the glitch off. I like that. You can see how it looks. Oh, already getting a very cool glitchy transition. Maybe I'm gonna change the wave angle just a little bit on that last part. Yeah, that looks sweet. Oh yeah, I like that. But remember guys, there are no wrongs here. Just play around with it a little bit. Make your own. That's the important thing. Do what you want. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just hold down Alt and drag up the clip twice. Then search for an effect called Rgb Color Balance. Yep. Apply that to the bottommost two clips. And the reason I'm doing this is just to get this like distorted kind of look. Yeah, I like that. Cyan and pink. Check out the effect now. Wow. So it's like distorting the colors and also warping it. I like that, I really like that. Now maybe here, once the wave warping keyframing stops, I'm just gonna drag back the RGB layers just to make it even more glitchy. Oh, yeah man, that looks sick already. So next up, now we're gonna transition between two clips. How do we do that? Very simple. What I'm going to do here is go to the start of the sound effect. And I am going to cut it. And do the same for the second clip. And what I'm going to do now is select both clips, right click and hit Nest and hit OK. Just to cheat and make it a little bit quick, I'm going to use the same wave warp that I have. Like so, and just paste that onto the to the nested clip. Maybe just to mix it up a little bit, I will put the wave speed to 1, something like that. That will mix it up a little bit. Yeah, that looks sick. Almost the same, but still a little bit different. I like it, Picasso. But remember guys, this is super important with this type of effects. And I can't stress this enough. There are no wrongs. You make whatever you want to. And I think we're gonna keep this one without any Rgb color balance. What I'm gonna do here is just maybe the middle clip, just like reverse that. Does that look good? Like put it upside down. Doesn't really make any difference, but let's just maybe go with it. I don't know. Do we like it? As I said, there's no right or wrongs here. Yeah, we like that. And now we're gonna make an ending glitch transition. And again, we are gonna use the same wave warp effect that we just used. I'm just gonna copy that over. What we're gonna do, just to mix it up a little bit, is reverse it. But you can't reverse a title because it's actually not a video clip. So I have a workaround on this. And that is that I'm gonna apply the wave warp effect to a video clip. And then I'm gonna reverse the speed, and then the keyframes are gonna get reversed. And then I'm gonna apply that wave warp effect back to the title. And then it will be like it transitions out instead of in, which will give it a really neat, sleek, cool look. It doesn't fade super clean. So what I think I might do here is use the color balance RGB again, but reverse it. So when it ends, it's going to be the colors, and maybe blur them out a little bit just to make a little bit smooth transition out. Because I do not quite like how it looks right now, but we'll fix that, no problem. Okay, we got them copied. And the topmost layer, I'm just gonna drag back a few frames and then apply the color balance RGB to the two bottommost layers. And again, skew them a little bit off their original position. And I'm not sure which color we're gonna go with here, maybe green, just to try something different. And what color are we gonna choose? The second one. What could look good here? Maybe blue, yellow. Maybe purple again. That looks pretty sick with the green. Let's see. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Then it's like the colors are glitching out, but still not completely done. I think maybe we should add like change the direction a little bit, skew it a little bit, just keyframe a little bit more, make it a little bit more juicy. That looks nice. This is all just playing around with the keyframes. Maybe like so when the transition ends, it's like exploding out, and then would look like an animation where it's like disappearing. Change the speed, maybe 1 will work, or 0.5. Let's take a look. Oh, I like that. It's like going from the normal text, getting a little bit glitchy white, and then there's coming the colors and then they're exploding out. I like that. I really, really like that. Maybe just the last little touch, adding a blur to the top layer. Maybe just the camera blur. Does that work? Maybe a directional blur instead. Let's see how that looks. Change the blur length to 90 degrees just to turn it on the side. Change the blur length to something that we can actually see. I don't like that. That looks weird. That looks weird. I think we're gonna go back to the camera blur here. Something like this could maybe look good. Oh, yeah. We got it, boys. Let's take a look at the final product. But that was all for this tutorial. If I helped you, please hit the subscribe button, click the like button. Please let me know in the comments what other tutorials you would like to see. But yeah, that's all I had to say. See you guys.